Okay.
See.
See. Okay.
Okay. Now come. Okay, can you tell us what do you want?
I would like to have tea and cookies.
Okay, Suji, give tea to Mama. Hold it. And now, now take the cup.
Customer. Okay, thank you.
She's tasting, so that it should be tasty.
Oh,
Okay, you want cookies? Okay, Shiji.
can you offer me some cookies, please?
Hold the plate. Nice. And show to Mama. Please take one cookie.
Thank you, baby.
Come back. Okay. Now say bye bye.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you, girl.